I'm Amanda Paolucci, and I will be your child's studio and art teacher this year. Sorry I couldn't be there tonight, but let me take you through and show you some of the artwork that we'll be creating this year. Our first project is the graffiti name tag, and students will be spelling out their names using different types of graffiti fonts and designing backgrounds and designing with inside the letters to create a unique piece of art. Students will then be doing a still life drawing of a collection of objects in the center of the room. This will help them with their observational drawing skills. Continuing with observational drawings, students will be using oil pastels to render these shiny plastic toys of their choosing. Students will be doing a portrait drawing of a person of their choosing. We will be studying value and how to create realism in portrait drawing. Our first painting project will be an illuminated letter. Students can choose the first letter of their first name or last name and incorporate images that are meaningful to them. The wire stocking sculpture incorporates both 2D and 3D elements. Students will be using references of famous artists to complete the painting for this project. The metamorphosis drawing takes one image and over a series of 8 steps morphs it into another. Students will be using colored pencil. Our ceramics project this year is South Carolina face jugs. We will be using coil rolling to build up the walls of our face jugs to create these unique and interesting vessels. Students will be learning about the art movement Surrealism. We also will be studying various perspective and watercolor techniques to create these interesting works of art. Another sculpture project we will be creating this year are papier-mâché containers. Students will be creating a sculpture that has a top and a bottom and can store things inside of it. Students will be inspired by a song to create these scratch art drawings. These are created by putting a thick layer of crayon down onto the paper, covering it with ink, and then scratching off the surface to reveal a really neat texture. Our final project counts for 20% of our overall grade. It is a painting, drawing, and sculpting project all wrapped in one called the Superhero Action Figure. Students will be creating action figures of themselves. They will give themselves a name, they will develop accessories for their action figure, and they will also design the packaging for their product. All grades are based on the completion of projects. All projects are due at the end of each marking period. Please email me with any questions that you have at apaolucci@williamsvillek12.org, and I'm really looking forward to a great year with your child.